Alright, let's go with y'all. We're gonna be studying. Alright, because I had my Brody stream somewhere. Yeah, he's streaming, right? And he said he already studied, right? Go subscribe to him if you haven't. But yeah, he's grinding subscribers while I go. Yeah, I got everything set up. I practice Regents. This is the latest one I could find. I got the answer key for it. I'm not looking at the answers. I'm just showing you what the answers are. That was like a quick glance. It's not like I've been studying them or anything. We got a reference sheet. It's not the same exact one, but it is close enough. Like this page, like I could use that. This is like stuff I have. Like Divergent. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? But yeah. This stuff like this, I don't really have in mind, but like this bottom piece I have. So I have most of it. I don't think I have this piece, but I have something similar, and I need this too. So let's get to it. First question: Ceres, a dwarf planet, is located. Actually, let's start. I'll mute this. I'll play that. Okay. Is a dwarf planet. Damn. Is located approximately 413 million kilometers from the sun, between the orbits of. We're going to go to a reference sheet for that one. And I already have this pulled up. What number did that say? What number did that say? 413 million. These are in millions too, so 413 million would be Mars and Jupiter. Right? Because 200, 700, what's in between that? 400. 400's in between those. Answer key, 3. What choice is that? 3. Mars and Jupiter. Right? Mars and Jupiter? Yeah, Mars and Jupiter. Alright, next one, 2. So red means far away, right? Red is far away. The purple blue, I think, is like closer, right? So as something moves far away, and galaxies obviously expand because, you know what I'm saying? Galaxies are always expanding. So if they're expanding, red. So that would be option 2, redshift, because the galaxies are moving away from Earth, right? Jovian planets, those are the big ones. Terrestrials are the small ones. Right? Right? So, right. So, number 1. Oh, wait, no. Terrestrials. The terrestrial planets are small and of high density. So, that'd be 4. Am I right? Yes, I am. Let's go. The apparent shift in the direction of the swing on a focal pendulum is a direct result of spinning of Earth on its axis, because I know the focal pendulum is used to determine Earth's rotation. So, yeah, this answers number 2 right there. I know that for sure. For sure. Look, see? Number 2. Scoring key right here. These are the answers. See that? Number 2 right here. Alright. Scroll. Which motion causes some constellations to be visible in New York State only during the winter nights, and other constellations to be visible only during summer nights? Revolution of Earth around the sun. Because, if we're going around and the star constellations are out here and out here, you're going to see this one when you're over here. And while we're revolving around the sun, you're going to see this one over here. Am I right or am I right? Which one is that? It's 2? Yeah, 2. Which set of New York State locations would have the greatest difference in altitude of Polaris observed in the night sky? This is in New York So, damn, I'm gonna go to the reference table. I'm gonna go to a map of New York, which we probably have, right? All right, we got one right here. Yeah. All right. So we got to find the greatest distance. What is at the bottom and what is at the top? Binghamton's at the top. At the bottom. I mean, Riverhead's at the bottom. So we could go Riverhead here. Riverhead and let's see. Yeah, Massaina's at the top. So, Polaris is like the tip top, like the pole at the top pole. And the greatest difference would be like if you're like super low, like your degrees super low latitude wise. So that would help you. Whatever latitude angle you're at is the angle to Polaris you're at. So I'm saying number 3 is a number 3. What am I? I'm on 6 or 7. I'm on 6. Oh, it is 3. Let's go. 7. Which process allows water vapor to enter the atmosphere? Evaporation. Is it condensation? Transpiration. Oh, this is with the trees, right? So this would be number 3. Yes, number 3. Height though. Okay. What is the dew point of when the dry bulb temperature is 19 degrees Celsius? Relative humidity is 73%. I have no idea. Hold up. Let me see. Reference table. We could probably change the song. Come on. Come on. Alright, so next. Reference table, alright. Go home to your mama, your papa. Wait, I'm flipping this thing, holy. Okay, right here. Dew point. What were the numbers it gave us? This is going to be used for both these questions, actually. Temperature of 19. Dry bulb, though. So, 19. Oh, hold up. I'm trying to figure stuff out. Hold up. Your mama. Go to your papa. Your papa. Is 73%. Okay, this might be a question I get wrong. Hold up. Let's search this up, cause I want to know how to do it. Oh, there's an actual equation you have to do. Okay. The common formula for dew point is, so 100 minus RH. What was RH? Wait, what was that? So equals minus what? I'm so confused. 100 minus 73 divided by 5. Wait, hold on, let me think. 100 minus 73 divided by 5. What? Hold up. No. Wait, so what number are we? What? 100 minus 19? 81 divided by 5. 60%. What? I'm so confused. Okay, so I really can't figure out what's going on. Understanding oh, 19 minus 19 minus that. Huh? What? What? So this is one of those questions I'm gonna get wrong because I ain't doing all this work. I'm not gonna remember this formula respectfully. TMI. Oh. Oh, Soundboy. I thought we were the other one. I thought I had it looping. Damn, I don't know what to play. Do I have it on my Spotify? What are we listening to? Shucks. Turn that up. Nigga, give it up to see. Like an hour. Yeah, that's me. This you walk. You know we talk. What is the air pressure? Alright. Reference table. Air pressure. Boom. Barometric pressure. So let's go back. Let's switch that. 150. So the 0 goes at the end. So that. Right? Right. Right? Right. Right? Right? Oh no. Hold up. How to get air pressure. Nah, it's gonna give me some random answer. It's not gonna give me anything related to this. But that's what I think my answer is for number 9. That. Oh no, the answer's right here. So, boom. Oh, it is 1. Let's go. All right. So we've gotten everything right except for this one question. But we could take losses one time. What is a celestial object? Which celestial object is located at the center of the star trails? What is a star trail? What are we talking about? To me. Let's just see the options. Polaris, Alpha, the sun, the moon. We're gonna see what we can get out of what we have. Give it up to me. Honey, tomorrow. Feel my fantasy like an arrow. Up to me. Yeah. Alright, so let's see what else there is. I don't know what this could be though. But main sequence. Could we be talking about this? Star motion? It just says main sequence. Might not be that. Hey gal. Hey gal. Well, this make a well, this make you feel like you. Yeah. Go away there. Hey. Yeah. See ya. Broke off. Okay, so negative glue. Your back. No. Problem with no shit. They got it's life. Make I feel alive. This was Hansen, Sheila, Ta'a, and Old Mida, the wine tailor. Broke off your back. Broke off your back. Damn, bro. I really can't understand what's going on. What could be the answer to this problem? Star motion. It's from a city, and they're looking up, and I'm seeing this looks like the Travis Scott event. If I'm being so honest right now, it feels like I'm in sweaty sands. All right. What could be right there? The moon. You know, so it could be the moon. It could be Polaris. You know what I'm saying? It could be the sun. You know what? You know what? Star trails. They made this thing black and white so you can't see if it's daytime or nighttime. I'ma go the moon. 10 for 4. It's 1. It was Polaris. I guess I literally said that the moon or Polaris. I guess it's because at the top, in the poles you get Polaris, but come on, who was gonna get that? Okay, questions like this is what sells me. If the time in Albany is 10, what would be the time in Seattle? We're gonna have to look at Earth latitudes, longitudes, longitude. I need to go to the reference table for this. All right. Flip. Okay. This is giving me nothing. Shush. Alright. No, I think it's because I'm not given anything. Nothing's labeled here. I have nothing to go off of right now. Yo. This is an easy question. This is a very easy question. It's 2. But nah. I was about to say optical illusion, but 2. It just makes sense. If it's back there, it's gonna obviously. It doesn't take a genius to solve this one. Questions like these, because it doesn't give you longitude or latitude, and I don't have anything in the reference sheet, so I have no idea what I'm working with. What can I do here? Eastern, Central, Mountain, Pacific. This is something I gotta write on my hand so I could cheat, bruh. Not a bad idea. Hold up. Whoa. Wait. I just grabbed a pen. So, yeah, I'm gonna draw a little model scale of the US, right? Little model scale. And I'm gonna have it labeled Pacific, Mountain, Central, Eastern, and I'm gonna put the hour distance through each. If this pen works, does this pen work? Am I ashy enough? Yes, I am. It's not even gonna be a good scale drawing. It's gonna be good enough. USA. Right. We're gonna split it into 4 sections. It just looks like a steak. I would turn on my camera, but it's not good. I could, yeah. I'm gonna turn on my camera for y'all, just so y'all could see what I just did. Let me configure, deactivate, activate. It's not plugged in. It's not plugged in. Oh, yeah. All right. Watch. Yeah, look at this. You see that? Hold up. That's a steak. That's not the U.S. at all. That's a steak. Chat, that's a steak. That right there, I wasn't cooking when it came to that one, but don't worry. We could still cook on the rest. As long as I get what I'm trying to say, it's fine. I'll hold up. Let me see if I could help you guys see it. Yeah, now you guys can see a lot better. All right, I just went. Where did I just go? Let me get back to the top. Hold up. Actually, let's search the hour distance time zones images US. So Eastern would be 10, Central 9, 8, 7. And Alaska 6. Oh, I didn't draw Alaska. You do that. This pen absolutely sucks. Oh wait, maybe it's because of this. You draw Alaska. Yeah, that's Alaska. Then we go, if this is 7, 8. Damn. That's 8. That's 8. That's 9. This would be 10. And it would be 6 for Alaska over here. Okay, I absolutely cooked the drawing, but it's fine. It's okay. I could see my 7, 6, and 9. I can see it, and that's all that matters at the end of the day. At the end of the day, that's all that matters. Can you guys see the numbers? 7, right? 8, 9. It's backwards for y'all, but 10. Y'all see that? 7, 8, 9, 10. You guys can see it. I'm not going to label Pacific and Central and all that because you could see the upwards lift, and New York and Rhode Island, all like over there, are the only place where that uplift would be. So like, let me label New York, I guess. Right about there. Seven, 8, 9, 10. 7, 8, 9, 10. 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Hopefully, and you could really barely see it on my skin. It just looks like I have a really bad, weird rash. You know what I'm saying? That just looks like a rash. I'll be fine. Alright. Now that we're done with that, let's move on. I spent way too long on that question. Okay. We're going to see if I could use it now. Ow. Oh. Wow. Wow. That reference that I just got was so compy, bro. It literally has New York at 10. So if this is 10, on my wrist, it says that Seattle would be 7. Let's check if it's 7 now. 11, 4. Let's go, dog. It's tough. This is 2. We don't even got to check for that. Fronts associated with low pressure. Low pressure fronts. Would that be cold? Hold up. Which best represents the order in the development of an included front from a cold front and warm front? What? Am I gonna have to do fronts on my other arm? I don't know what we're doing. Cold temperature, warm. Hold up. I might have this on the reference sheet. I swear I saw something close to it. Alright. It's gonna be on like a New York map or like a world map, obviously. That's not it. That's not it. Damn, that's not it. Damn, that's not it. It's 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 not it. I don't know what's a cold front. I don't know what's a warm front. I have no idea what I'm looking at. I'ma assume this is the occluded front, because it's different than this one and this one. So I'm gonna start B being first. So that would be 2. That's what I'm gonna start with. I have no idea what I was looking at just now, so I could be so wrong or I could be so very, very right. What number is us? 13? Number 13 was 2. Give me my respect and credit. Come suck this big thing. I remember this was cold, this was warm, and this was that. I remember this being 2. If I'm wrong, I will do nothing. This just doesn't make sense because Canada, why would this be warm? Also, this whole area is cold. I live in New York and I know it's cold, so it's cold. Alright, so 1 and 3 automatically out. This is going backwards. Why is it going backwards? Gulf of Mexico moves this way. Wind, probably this way. 2. 14, right? Yeah, 14, 2. Respect and credit now. Which statement best explains why predictions for extreme weather events are more accurate today than in the past? Because, like, I don't know. Weather conditions change more slowly. Scientists control weather. They don't control the weather. That. Number 4. 15 is number 4. If I'm lying, I'm lying. Respect and credit. Now. In order to maximize the amount of isolation absorbed by a roof in a colder climate, the material should be dark color. and smooth texture. I know dark color because like if you wear the people tell you don't wear black in the summer because like oh you absorb black absorbs uh light or something or attracts light or something like that. So I'm going dark color and smooth texture. 16 too. 16 was one, but I was close enough. You know, I probably should have thought because they be having those tiles on the roof and they be like black and they be like sandpaper. So like, I probably should have thought. Damn. Let's check Discord real quick. Nope. That's a crazy name. 17. Uneven heating of Earth's surface. Atmosphere along the Coriolis effect produces ocean currents with a general First, let's take time to think about what is the Coriolis effect. Because I have no idea what the Coriolis effect is, respectfully. Boom. Boom. An apparent force that deflects moving objects like air or projectiles to the right in the north hemisphere and left in southern. So, I don't know where we're going with this. All right, we're back. Let's see what color. What we left off on. We finished this question. Let's move on to this. Uneven heating of the Earth's surface. We did Coriolis effect. Uh, clock. No. He said left and no, right and northern, left and southern. Oh, that's on our reference table. Hold up. I remember seeing it. Where is it? It's here. I feel it. It's here. Yeah, it's here. It's right here. I gotta flip it one more time. Right here. So, the Coriolis effect. Gotcha. I thought it was we were looking at this right here. I mean, it's cool. So it's spinning this way, this way, this way, this way, this way. I don't even know, bro. So I will go not in both. If it's different, then it's not both. So we can automatically eliminate one. Flow in both north, no. So it's 3 or 4. Okay. To the right would be clockwise. So it would be 3 for 17. Yes, sir. I used Google for that, so I'm not gonna take any credit for that. Let's look at the reference table one more time, because this doesn't really actually show that much. To be honest, that was that. Why is that like? Oh, because when you put these two together, it's gonna be like that way. Oh, so you combine the bottom with the top. Okay. I see it. I see it now. We've been live for only 41 minutes. Surprisingly, I thought it was longer. But, hey, who knows? Okay, so. Like who? Like who? YK Osiris, Lil Baby. Right. A Boogie with the hoodie. Right. 71,000 monthly listeners. Nobody else you know, so you gonna give it up. I'm gonna listen to this. If he actually has A Boogie on here, bro, swear. He went from a solo album to one with YK Osiris, Lil Baby, Gucci Mane, Rick Ross, A Boogie. A Boogie's the only song I cared about, so I clicked on that one. If just by the smallest chance that was actually him, and not from like a random clip of like an unreleased song, because A Boogie got so much unreleased, bro. Like Work was unreleased ever since it got out. It was so tough. I put that word like word. I don't care about you. If I wanna take her, I don't know, baby. I raise her. Ever since I was a young, I had a lot of haters. Little brother with a 4-5 talker hater. Poor Joe's with that. I can't get copyrighted for a song that isn't out, right? Or can I? That's an interesting concept. We'll figure it out.
You didn't tell me you loved me
Yeah, it's
until I said
laughter.
I loved you, but I didn't love you until after I fucked you. Are we
We
both
both
guilty? Do you feel me? I was trying to go
half
back
and
and
half
stop
with you.
pushing
What
on you,
up?
baby. I must have been crazy.
Okay, so I have an hour left. My last hour is probably gonna be chilling because I don't want to overstudy. You know what I'm saying? If you overstudy, that's how you don't want to let the knowledge stack up on other knowledge because that's when you forget the previous knowledge. Do you do, girl? Burning fossil fuels. This one we don't even really gotta look at. What is the main reason that locations near the ocean have smaller annual temperature ranges? The uh uh baby na 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 baby na 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 baby na 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 na. So the temperature of like a beach doesn't really change. Is that what they're saying? The moment that I approached her, come closer, I need a little closer. Heart colder, I'm looking over my shoulder. See if you see. Okay. The the division of geologic time into an era, into eras, periods, and epcot's. Oh, I know what this is. I know what this is. Oh no, not. I'm trying to keep going the reference table. Baby, da 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 da, baby, da 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 da. I got a baby, da 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 da. Baby. Not the fossil wreck. I'll go one or two. But I don't know what celestial or like tectonic to celestial is not what like celestial. All right, I'ma choose one. This is my personal guess, and I'm gonna search up celestial. Celestial. I can't spell, and I have cap lock on. Holy position in the sky. What? No. I'm wrong. I'm wrong. I'm wrong. I could just tell. So tectonic? Yeah. Tectonic makes sense now. Because, like, tectonic plates moved, right? And, like, where William Johnson, bro? Nems. Run by Nems. Uh, D&D part 2. Chats on me when I need it. That my bird. I know my feelings. Started to deepen. Exactly how they treat me. I know my feelings. Get to and start to deepen. Exactly how they treat me. It's not that bad cheating. It's just I know I wouldn't remember that. Right? So it's good to have. It's good to have the information because the information's useful. G3 information. Yes, you on a dangerous bed. Let's go. So all out of shots in this kickback. G. Start. Oh my god. UK. I make. You make. Giving them IG captions. You're chatting. Lacking. CRG featuring Dave. I listened to his album, but I didn't listen to his album. Rock primarily composed of which material would be the most resistant to physical weather? So which mineral doesn't weather easily? Where would I find that in the reference table? Oh. Ooh, yeah, that one I can't tell you. Really, I can't. I can't tell you. My guess. This is a guess. This is not like an educated. This is just a guess. I'm gonna go Olivine right here. So 25 Olivine. Oh my goodness, I'm the goat. P waves and S waves. I remember. One of these can't travel through it. It's not like a fast thing. It's like one of these can't go through the outer core because it's liquid. I just don't remember if it was the S waves or the P waves. I'm gonna go S waves here. S waves can't go through it. Wait. I don't know. I'm doubting myself. Is it S waves or P waves, bro? Is it S waves or P waves? What is this? This is 22. I'm just skipping around because I'm not gonna have time for all. Oh, it was S waves. Let's go. Let's go. Which agent of erosion produces parallel scratches and grooves in surface bedrock? Surface bedrock. Parallel scratches. So something is like grinding. Waves don't cause anything. Running water, unless there's like debris. Glaciers, maybe? 26-1. Please, 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 please. Yes, 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 yes. Do I think that's enough? Do I think that's enough? An hour studying is pretty good. Or at least almost an hour. That was almost no. Which paragraph correctly shows the percentage of original radioactive? What? 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 What are you talking about? What are we talking about? Yo, someone get Julian sometimes out of here, man. I've heard this guy's ad at least 1 trillion times, and I don't want to hear him anymore. TSPMO, bro. Alright. Oldest bedrock is going to be found in location A. That's right. I know that for sure. We're 30 questions in. This is just me skipping around still, right? I'm going to have a scantron, so. Frontal boundary. See, this part might be bad, but I'm on a roll, so I'm allow myself to learn from a little guy. A little guy is this guy. He's gonna teach me. He's gonna teach. He's gonna be a great teacher. I feel it. I remember the times just never. It was harder. That's how you ran through my fingers. I didn't go out and such. Lingers. Down to me, it lingers. Why are you good, bruh? You good, bruh? He's not good, bruh. Go through. Answer the question. Oh, the ball is doing the research. He's going crazy. He's going ballistics right now. No one chat to me when I need it. So I just stop my bread. Start to deepen. But about to meet it. 0 chatters. Very expected though. Because it's 7. Almost 8 in the morning. Yeah. I have an hour. Right. To just chill. So I'm gonna take my chill break. I'm gonna just chill. I might just stream me chilling. Just watch YouTube videos. No one chats at me when I need it. Streaming a stream? Yeah, streaming a stream. He has 5 likes on the stream already, bro. What? Is he doing anything in this live stream, or is he just sitting there? Oh, he really has just been sitting here. What the hell? Honey, get through my fingers. Out of touch. Feeling out of touch. No good decahedron stranger. No good decahedron. What the hell? What the helly? What the helly? What the helly? What the hell y'all say? What the hell? What the hell y'all? What the hell better? Should I play some unreleased? You know what I'm saying? These songs most likely aren't coming out anytime soon. Actually, every time I say that, every time I say I'm not gonna put out a song, I end up putting it out because like every time I play it on stream, I just like feel like I already gave it to y'all, so why not just put it out at that point? So I'll just show you guys. I got 2 right here. It's alright. It's got a long intro. I never yeah. Too much paper on my body. It's just stacking on me. Too much paper on my shoulders. It's collapsing on me. They just acted funny. Wanted from me. Not my broskies. Yo. Yo. I got a lot of stories. Okay. Hey, I'm making too much money. I gotta really stop it. Hey, I made too much. They start pocket watching. Hey, got people pocket watching. I ain't even make that much. They still pocket watching. Hey, I be really talking. This shit, sometimes they don't clock it. Hey, this paper on my shoulders in my inventory. But there's too much. My inventory. Too much right up in my inventory. Yeah. I got a lot of stories. Vibe out to the beat with me. Vibe out to the beat with me. Vibe out to the beat with me. I don't like it. That's the reason why it's not out. Idol. Hey. I do this for the thrill. I'm a big dog, man. I really do this shit for real. What? Whoa. Why is that lyric not there? Yeah.
Hey, all you bunch of jerks, you wanna love me? Yeah, you wanna love me? Yeah, hey.
She always asking me, what's that big thing poking me? She wanna ride on a bike. Why did that play the first time? Wait, that was random. Okay. What was that? Yeah, with that being said, I'm ending this stream, bro. Yeah, I'ma just, yeah. Oh, I almost forgot like a huge part of the stream. Yeah, it's 8 o'clock. I got an hour to myself. I'm gonna go crazy in that 1 hour. Fortnite ad. I haven't downloaded the new season. Probably won't. I might just skip the season. Yeah, I'm gonna catch y'all.
Pray to the one you're relying. I've been wandering all day. I tried to be fine, but I can't be. The noise in my mind wouldn't leave me. I tried to get by, but I'm burning.